Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey there, Voyagers, and welcome to Puerto Plata. Puerto Plata, a vibrant city on the northern coast of the Dominican Republic, is a captivating destination that seamlessly blends natural beauty, historical charm, and modern allure. Nestled between the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean and the lush greenery of the Cordillera Septentrional mountain range, Puerto Plata boasts a rich tapestry of experiences for travelers seeking diverse adventures. From its colonial architecture to its golden beaches and vibrant local culture, Puerto Plata stands as a multifaceted gem in the Caribbean. In the heart of Puerto Plata, the city proudly showcases its rich colonial legacy through a remarkable array of historical architecture. Among its distinctive features stands the Fort of San Felipe, a formidable 16th century Spanish fortress perched majestically atop a hill. Beyond its architectural grandeur, the fort offers a panoramic tableau revealing breathtaking views of the city and the expansive ocean. This imposing structure serves not only as a sentinel of Puerto Plata's past, but also as a living testament to the region's maritime history, immersing visitors in the echoes of centuries gone by. Wandering through the historic center, the city unveils its charming Victorian and colonial-era buildings, each narrating a chapter of its vibrant history. The Victorian mansion that houses the Amber Museum becomes a portal into the significance of amber in the Dominican Republic, elucidating its role as a global exporter of this precious gemstone. Meanwhile, the city's beating heart, Park Independencia, unfolds as a vibrant central square surrounded by an eclectic palette of colorful buildings. This lively space serves as a perfect vantage point to immerse oneself in the local atmosphere, where the past and present coalesce, creating an indelible experience of Puerto Plata's cultural and historical richness. Puerto Plata's coastline is adorned with pristine beaches that invite visitors to unwind and indulge in water-based activities. Playa Dorada, with its golden sands and clear waters, is a popular destination for sunbathing and water sports. The gentle waves of the Atlantic make it an ideal spot for activities like windsurfing and kiteboarding. For a more secluded experience, Cofresi Beach offers tranquility and breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. The contrasting landscapes of the beach against the lush hills create a picturesque setting for relaxation. Sosua Beach, known for its coral reefs, provides excellent snorkeling opportunities, allowing visitors to explore the vibrant marine life just beneath the surface. Venturing beyond the sun-soaked beaches, Puerto Plata unfolds as a haven for nature enthusiasts within the embrace of the Cordillera Septentrional mountain range. This majestic landscape offers an enchanting network of nature trails and hiking routes, inviting exploration and adventure amid its verdant surroundings. The jewel of this mountainous sanctuary is the Isabel de Torres National Park, an extraordinary destination accessible by a thrilling cable car ride. As the cable car ascends, visitors are treated not only to an exhilarating journey, but also to breathtaking panoramic views of Puerto Plata and the expansive coastline from the summit. At the pinnacle of Isabel de Torres, a profound encounter awaits in the form of the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, reminiscent of its famous counterpart in Rio de Janeiro. This serene and elevated spot provides a unique perspective, offering a bird's-eye view of the city below and the vast expanse of the Caribbean Sea stretching beyond the horizon. Surrounding the statue, lush botanical gardens further enhance the mountain experience, showcasing the diverse flora indigenous to the region. This harmonious blend of natural beauty, adventure, and cultural symbolism makes the exploration of Puerto Plata's mountainous terrain a truly immersive and indelible part of the Caribbean journey. Puerto Plata is not only a destination for leisure, but also a hub for ecotourism and conservation initiatives. The 27 waterfalls of Damahagua, a series of cascading waterfalls hidden in the tropical rainforest, beckon adventure seekers. guided tours lead visitors through a thrilling journey of climbing, sliding, and jumping into refreshing pools, offering an adrenaline-pumping experience amid lush surroundings. The region's commitment to conservation is evident in projects like the Marine Mammal Sanctuary, which focuses on protecting the habitat of dolphins and manatees. Educational programs and responsible tourism practices contribute to the preservation of the marine ecosystem, allowing visitors to appreciate the natural wonders while minimizing environmental impact. Puerto Plata's cultural vitality extends beyond its historical and natural wonders, manifesting in the rhythmic beats of merengue and bachata that permeate the air. These traditional Dominican music genres invite both locals and visitors to partake in the joyous dance, transforming the atmosphere into a celebration of life. Along the Malecon, a dynamic seaside promenade, the spirit of Puerto Plata comes alive with street performers, vibrant vendors, and the unmistakable energy of the Caribbean, creating a lively tapestry of cultural expression. The city's culinary scene is a sensory journey through a delightful fusion of African, Spanish, and Taino influences. Dominican dishes characterized by fresh seafood, tropical fruits, and an array of flavorful spices showcase the region's gastronomic diversity. Mofongo, crafted from mashed plantains, and sancocho, a hearty stew, are but a glimpse into the culinary treasures awaiting exploration. Venturing into local markets and eateries offers not just a taste, but a genuine immersion into the warm embrace of Dominican hospitality and the gastronomic legacy that defines Puerto Plata. As Puerto Plata continues to evolve, efforts to enhance infrastructure and promote sustainable tourism are shaping its future. Ongoing projects focus on preserving the city's historical charm while fostering economic growth through responsible tourism practices. The expansion of accommodations, amenities, and eco-friendly initiatives positions Puerto Plata as a destination that caters to a diverse range of travelers, from those seeking relaxation on the beach to those yearning for adventure in the mountains. Puerto Plata, with its blend of history, natural beauty, and cultural vibrancy, offers a multifaceted experience for those seeking an unforgettable Caribbean getaway. Whether exploring the city's colonial architecture, basking in the sun on golden beaches, venturing into the mountains for hiking and adventure, or immersing oneself in the local culture and cuisine, Puerto Plata beckons with a diverse array of activities. As this city on the northern coast of the Dominican Republic continues to grow and welcome travelers from around the world, it stands as a testament to the enduring allure of the Caribbean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.